Hi, I'm Charmene Vega, and a lot of people call me Mama Vega because that's my entrepreneur business name. And today, what I want to talk to you about is I want to talk to you about a program I've developed under the Happy Healthy Lifestyle Program. And what it is a three-step formula for you to look and feel 20 years younger. Now, you'll see a lot of things that are out there on the market. They will help you to look younger, but they may not help you to feel younger. My program will show you how to be able to look younger and feel younger. Why am I doing this for entrepreneurs? The reason I'm doing it for entrepreneurs is because I'm one myself. I've gone through the whole thing of being tired because I see that that's a problem. You know, if you're running around, you're doing a lot of things, you burn up energy on both ends of the candle, as so they speak. And right now, with COVID and everything else that's going on, we now had to pivot. We had to come up with something new. So it's like we're constantly working every single day in order to figure out what is it that we do? How do we make the changes? What's the next thing I have to do? But in addition to that, what do we have? We have family. So we're running short on energy. We're running short on time. When we're on Zoom, we want to look our best. We want to feel our best. We've got to have the energy up there. And because we're doing so many things, our brain might get cluttered and it feels like we have brain fog. What's next? What's the next thing I have to do? What did I forget? You leave a room, you go into the next room and you go, oh my gosh, why did I go in here? I have no idea. What's the next thing? And then you go backtrack and you still can't remember what it was. And then a day later, you remember, oh yeah, that's what I should have done. So now you're all worried and all flustered. Well, with the solution that I've come up with relative to that, it's to help you to do those things. You can get that self-care taken care of. That's one of the things. Your gut health is another thing, and your brain health. Many of the people who will be listening to this are women. What I also have discovered, doing all my research, is that women are more susceptible to mood swings. Okay, like we didn't know that, but it's natural. They're saying that's a natural thing for us to have it, so to speak. We also have are more susceptible to have Alzheimer's. There are more women who get Alzheimer's than men. Who knew, right? And then in addition to that, more women seem to get migraine headaches. So there's several other things that we would know with breast cancer and so on, that are more specific to women. But those are three that I picked out because those three can have a devastating effect on women trying to get their work done, especially if you get migraines. If you're a person, which I've worked with people who have migraines, they have to go into a closet and sit there, no light, no this, no that. But those are things that we can deal with. There's ways of dealing with it. But my three-step formula can help you deal with those things where you can have more energy. You can look good on that Zoom call. These are all natural things that you can do. It's not going to be the quick fix, no, but it is something that you can do and do it very graciously. And you will hear a lot of people saying, oh, I'm getting old. I feel so old. And, what am I going to do? The aches and the pains and the creaks and the this and all these things are making me feel like, I don't know what I'm going to do. I wish I could go with the grandkids. I wish I could hang out with the other person. These are all things you're looking at and you're looking at. That's a problem, especially when you get this little card, right? When you get that, you can see that's AARP. You can also see, I'm not showing my actual number on here, but you can see that is my name. My name is on there. And guess what? I've had this card for 10 years. 10 years. That's giving you a clue as to what my age really is. Okay, so I'm sharing this with you this time for the first time. You guys, for the first time, are going to find out because usually I don't share exactly where I am, and you still don't know exactly, but you've got a pretty good clue when you know you've got this card. But you know what? This is kind of coming of age. And the reason I say that is I wear this like a badge of honor. And the reason I do, this is my discount card. Because if anybody ever read what the AARP card says on the front? Have you read what it says on the front? Down here where it says AARP, right there, that says real possibilities. See, you don't have to look at it like it's a negative. You can look at it as this is my card to get into places and get a discount. How about that? Look at this as your discount card. How many of you are going to go run and try to get it now if you don't already have it? You're going to try to figure it out. Let me tell you a little secret here. One of my daughters, she's had hers probably just as long as I've had mine, and she got hers in her late 20s, early 30s. And the reason she did is because she figured out a way she could pay a little bit more money and get the discount card early, because she's one who uses it at a discount card. She uses it all the time. So that's why I'm trying to tell you that this is one of those things that you have to start looking at things a different way, shed a different light on it, look at it through a different lens. That's kind of like one of my little secrets is how do you look at life? And that's what happy, healthy lifestyle is all about. It's all about perception. It's all about what do you do? It's about food too. It's about exercise. It's about different types of exercises though. But as a functional nutritionist, I should say, that's what I look at. I look at all those things. And I'm living testimony to it. And I'm also a fourth generation nutritionist. I didn't say that in the beginning because I wanted to kind of like tell you a little bit about this first, is that I'm an example. I know what it's like to be in your shoes. I'm still in your shoes. I'm just like you, just like you. I'm no different from you. I have kids, I have grandkids. I have to do all these things, run around, do my business. And now my mother, she's getting ready to move from the East Coast to California because I'm in California, and she's going to be moving in with me. And so now I have another person I've had all this time, and it's like, uh-oh, what do I do now? So now she's going to be here, which now means I have another person that I will have to make food for. You know, she can make food herself, but she also knows I'm a chef. So she's going to be sitting down with her feet underneath the table. You can bet your life on that. And because it's mom, I grew up with where it's yes, ma'am. Okay, so regardless of whatever else I have to do and whatever you guys may want, whatever my mentors want, if mom says she wants something, I'm gonna have to tell everybody else, you're gonna have to wait because mom has told me, mom didn't ask me. I'm from, moms at my generation, they didn't ask you to do something, they told you what to do. And, as a side note, a testimony to that, I was going to try to surprise my mom, one year and fly back. And I told one of my cousins, and my mom called me and my mom said, oh, I heard that you're coming back to the East Coast. I was trying to surprise her. And I said, well, why do you want to know? She said, did you forget who you're talking to? And I was like, no, ma'am. Yes, I am coming. She's the one person who I will, immediately back up. And I, said, hey, okay, mom spoke. Yes, I'm planning on coming. I was trying to surprise you, but I see you already know, so the surprise is out, so it's one of those things, that's there. So she's going to be with me, but that's another thing that's been added on my plate, along with doing Zoom, just like the rest of you, making sure that my face is looking good, not having all the wrinkles, because that's one of the things as women, we do worry about that. What about the wrinkles? And these are things you can do. Also staying focused. I have figured out a way to help you to stay focused, have that energy, have all the extra time that you want, be able to calm down, be able to get that good sleep that you want and wake up refreshed. Because that's the other thing, there's some of my mentors, and those of you who know Che know he's got all those bubbly things going on. And sometimes he will call me and it's 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, but he knows I'm right there doing it. And I will still get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm walking around the streets at 6 o'clock in the morning, going for my walk. Regardless of how much sleep I get, I'm still going to hit that and I'm going to do that. So there are things that I can show you that you can do that's going to help you to maintain that, where you don't have to have all these other things. You don't have to have the brain fog. You don't have to have Alzheimer's. You don't have to have the creaks and things in your bones and feel like, oh, I can't get out of the chair. You don't have to have it where you're not having the right bowel movements. You can have that. You can purge your system. There are things you can do naturally. And by doing some of these things, you won't have the wrinkles. You will look younger. You will feel younger, because a lot of the other things are telling you that I'm going to help you look younger. But looking younger and not feeling younger is not giving you the happy, healthy that you want. You want a happy, healthy lifestyle, not just a happy lifestyle, because some people can be happy, but they're not healthy. Some people can be healthy, but not happy. So what I'm trying to do is to show you how you can have both. You can have your cake and eat it too. That's what I'm trying to show you. But a part of showing you how to do that is also showing you that I've got my discount card. And for those of you who don't have one, you may want to go get it. Okay, because it's a lot of fun out there. It's a lot of fun to walk in and say, what kind of discounts can I get today? Because I'm constantly looking for them. Trust me, I don't care what it is. And it may not necessarily be AARP. Sometimes they just offer senior discounts. Sometimes they give you something for your birthday. You just have to look for those things and enjoy life. But these are some of the things that I will be sharing with you. And, having you to be able to see that there's more things that you can do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you or share my screen so that you can see how you can get a hold of me. And here you go, right here. Here's my phone number, and that would be 661-532-8342. If you can't remember that, it's actually 661-532-VEGA. So I was able to get that many years ago. I was able to get that vanity phone number. And then on Instagram, it is the Mama Vega. And then you also have Facebook, Twitter, on YouTube, and this one right here is for Clubhouse. I found a little picture of kids playing in the Clubhouse, so I was able to get that. But that's one of the things that I would like to share with you and show you that you can do this. You can stay focused. Okay, these are things that you can do. You can stay focused. You can have the energy. All of those things are possible naturally. You don't have to take a bunch of chemicals or any of those things. So it is what you eat, how you do it. But it's my 3-step formula. The 3 things that you have to do to look and feel 20 years younger, naturally, have the energy, have the time, be able to be focused. And when you're focused and you can remember things and you can get it done, you're going to have more time because you end up wasting time. If you go into a room and you don't remember what you went in there for and you have to go back, that's time wasted. How many times are you doing that? That's how much time you're wasted. Do you know how to do certain stagings to put things in place so that now it can go really quick? Things that you can do so that when they call you, you're just like ready to go right on the money. So again, I want to let you know that by all means, do give me a call, do text me. The best way to get a hold of me, just so you know, is on Facebook Messenger, because I will get to that one faster. I'm not necessarily on all the other ones, but when my phone goes off and I see that's on Messenger, I do get back to you. So I will share my screen again so that you can see that. And here you go. This is what it is. It's my name on, on regular Facebook page. It's under my name, under my Facebook page, my Facebook regular page, me personally, it's under my name, and under the other, my actual page there, it would be under Mama Vega or the Mama Vega. But if you Google it, you'll be able to see, but these are the ones that's direct. And Instagram, it's under the Mama Vega or themamavega.com. And my regular website is mamavega.com, and Mama is MAMAVEGA.com. And I hope to hear from you, because I do really want to help the entrepreneurs out there, because I understand how difficult it is, how hard it is, what you need to do, what we're trying to get done, and how hard that is for us to get it done. Because I do get it. I'm dealing with it myself. Those are the things I'm dealing with. So looking forward to working with you. And I really do hope to hear from you soon. I really do. I want to hear from you. Because I really want to help you, because it's a journey, but you don't have to go that journey by yourself. I've kind of figured it out. I figured it out, and I'm here to help you. So by all means, come on, let's go ahead and get this done together. We can get this together.